Want a career that's always in demand? One that keeps the world running and powers the future? At Charlotte Technical College, our electrical program gives you the skills to wire up success, literally. This 1,200-hour program is your gateway to a future in residential, commercial, and industrial electrical work. From wiring homes to troubleshooting complex systems, you'll get real-world training for a high-powered career. We go beyond the basics, covering everything from planning and management to safety and environmental considerations. Because being a top-tier electrician isn't just about skills, it's about doing the job right. Whether you're just getting started or leveling up your expertise, our program builds a rock-solid foundation in electrical systems, helping you prep for licensure and a career that pays off big time. Charlotte Technical College graduates don't just enter the workforce, they lead it. With industry-recognized certifications and hands-on experience, you'll be ready to light up your future. Charlotte Technical College. Power up your future. Enroll today.